Hi, Russ Gaspard here for Milestone 2 check-in on our woodshed app project. So I just wanted to go ahead and do a walkthrough and demonstrate the state of the application. So you can see here the first screen that comes up, the topic screen allowing you to choose an exercise. And the major scale and natural minor scale are default data. You can see the augmented arpeggio and diminished arpeggio. I've put those in as custom topics using the add button, and we could certainly add more just like we were at last week. But let's go ahead and create a practice session right now. We'll use a diminished arpeggio. And then it brings us to the parameters page, and these are all default parameters, but I could add custom parameters with the add button as well. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's say I want to go ahead and add a parameter called position. And maybe on my stringed instrument I'm going to play in different positions. So now I can set all these parameters. For bowing, let's choose straight bowing. For the key center, let's say the key is C natural. Position. Now there are no tags associated with position thus far, so I'll have to use the add button again. And I can add that this is going to be in, let's say, third position. And then I can choose that. And let's go ahead and choose a tempo of 80 beats per minute. And when I've got all the topic, the parameters, and tags associated with those parameters how I want them, then I'm ready to practice, and I can go ahead and click begin. Now the practice screen itself is not completed. That's for milestone 3, but I will be able to click the complete button to indicate that I'm finished with the practice session, and that takes me to the history screen where all stored practice sessions are in this custom list. And so we can see how the history screen works. I can click the top one, the natural minor scale, and it'll list the different parameters and tags that I chose for that. Clicking the back button, and then we can take a look at the one we just saved, the diminished arpeggio practice, and it's got our new custom parameter and tag. Position is the third position, 80 beats a minute in the key of C natural, and with a straight bowing pattern. So this is the state of the app so far. All these stored tags and parameters and custom topics and the practice sessions themselves and all their detail are stored locally on the drive and do persist between uses of the app. So this is the main value added in our app design. Now we just need to flesh out the actual practice screen itself with the metronome and the counter tool and some other things. So there were no particular challenges this week, just moving along at a steady pace. I think I've accomplished a lot, and we are on track to finish just like we planned. I will be submitting change request only because some things have become clear in our design. We do need to provide a way for people to delete information. Now we can save custom tags and custom topics and save practice records themselves, but we have no way to remove anything from the app. So I think it's all working really well, and we are definitely going to get it done on time, and I appreciate your input and look forward to connecting with you soon. Thank you.